guys? Mikhail Benny here, and in this video I want to specifically talk about your credit card utilization. I have a lot of people hit me up all the time to say, look, I don't have any negative items on my credit report. I got good credit, but for some reason my score won't get over a certain level, or for some reason their score dipped. So one of the main reasons that this happens is because your credit card utilization, and you really need to understand how it works, right? When you have a balance of over 30%, your score is going to go down every single month. But not only that, what people don't tell you is that, let's say last month your balance was $500, right? And then this month your balance is $550. There's a very high chance that your score is going to take a dip because your balance isn't the same as it was last month. So what I recommend is that every single month you look at your credit card statement and find out when is the statement date. Pay your credit card balance in full, pay it down to zero. And that way you won't have any problems with your score fluctuating or not getting high enough.